Jesus' way. If you're helpless, I will defend you. If you're burdened, I'll share a weight. And if you're hopeless, then let me show you there's hope in the Jesus way. I follow Jesus, I follow Jesus. He wore my sin, I'll gladly wear His name. He is the treasure, He is the answer. Oh, I choose the Jesus way.